The thing that I think really like made me take the leap into being a founder was I mentioned at that first startup I worked at, I met my co-founder there. We applied to join an incubator, kind of like a Y Combinator, but for the like Portland area, right? And we got in like magically somehow. I have no idea how these like two 26-year-old idiots got selected for this thing, but it ended up being like transformative, obviously for me. It ended up being really great for the ecosystem as well. Like we ended up like working with a lot of companies in the Portland area where I come from originally along the way. In fact, I was actually there's in Japan. I was in Tokyo, and there's a bar there called the PDX Tap Room where they uh like have like Portland themed stuff. I don't know why. I think it is in Harajuku in Tokyo. But there's a book there that talks about Portland makers. They highlight they have an interview with a guy, Rick Tarosi, who's like the grandfather of all the startups in the Portland area, and he was the founder of the Portland Incubator Experiment. And like my story of like starting that company and then like crashing and burning it terribly and joining another company and like how that affected the Portland ecosystem and everything is like documented in this book in Japanese in this bar in Japan. Like just such a weird like impact. Yeah.